Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to schedule emails in Gmail. So for this purpose, first you need to open Google, then go to search bar and search for your Gmail inbox. If you have logged in this inbox on your PC, then once you enter for inbox, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Means you are here on your inbox directly. So for scheduling email, here at the top left corner, you have this compose button. Click on it. Once you click on it, then here at the right side of the screen, this will pop up. Here you have the option of 2 at the front of this. Enter the Gmail to whom you want to send this mail. Once you enter it, then here at the bottom you have this send button. At the front of this you have this arrow. Click on it. Once you click on it, then here this will pop up. Here you can see schedule send option. Tap on it. For schedule sending, they have created time and date for you, but if you want to choose by your own, then click on pick date and time option. Once you done this, then this will pop up. Here you need to set date, day and time by your own. So this is the easiest and simplest way for scheduling emails in Gmail. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.